Assalamualaikum guys, maaf tadi sempat terpotong ya. Kali ini saya akan lanjutkan. Tadi sampai ke how long did you work for them? Ini menunjukkan bahwasanya seberapa loyal kita terhadap perusahaan itu ya. The questions of how long did you work for them? It shows our loyalty to the company. What major challenges did you face? What major challenges did you face? It means we are questioned. Uh, what is the biggest trouble? What is the biggest problem that we have ever faced within the previous company? And what was the solution from us? Yeah. For example, like this. My biggest problem when I worked within the previous institution or schools, I found that it was very hard to manage my students, so that I needed to have a consultations with my seniors, and they gave me a lot of solutions in order to conditionize my students to be very aware of their improvement and also gaining more significant scores in order to graduate satisfactorily. And then, why did you leave your last job? I think we have discussed about this. And what did you like and dislike about your former employment? I think we have discussed about this. And the next is this one. It will be the sample answer for that. For example, like this. Di sini kita ada sample answer. I have worked for 3 years with the Saudi Arabia Gas Company, where I was surveying director and was responsible for conducting research on potential petrol reservoir. Ya, jadi di sini kalau kita ditanya apa duty dan responsibility kita sebelumnya, jadi kita harus jelas kita bekerja di mana, selama berapa tahun, dan apa job desk kita seperti itu. Nah, di sini dikatakan I have worked for 3 years with the Saudi Arabia Gas Company. Artinya saya sudah 3 tahun bekerja di perusahaan minyak atau gas di Saudi, where I was surveying director, di mana posisi saya adalah surveying director, and was responsible for conducting research on potential petrol reservoir, ya, dan memiliki tugas atau tanggung jawab untuk melakukan research untuk mencari penampungan minyak yang potensial. Yeah, the average work week consisted of 38 hours, but I often put in extra hours to complete assignments and meet deadlines. Ya, bahwasanya di sini dikatakan kita ini sangat dedikasi terhadap pekerjaan kita dan kita memiliki ekstra waktu untuk menyelesaikan pekerjaan ya. Saya ulangi, the average work week consisted of 38 hours, but I often put in extra hours to complete assignments and meet deadlines. I enjoyed this job quite a lot, and my employer treated me atau treated staff with respect and always rewarded accomplishment. Ya, di sini menyatakan bahwasanya kita itu sangat menghormati atasan kita seperti itu ya. And here by the time we mentioned I enjoyed this job quite a lot. Yeah, I enjoyed this job quite a lot, and my employer treated staff with respect. It means we really appreciated our former employer. However, I now feel it is time for me to move on and acquire further work experience in different fields. So the keywords is actually enhancing our experiences and personal developments and also skills. Not, for example, mentioning that our former employer was bad, was not giving us more opportunities within our career growth, or maybe failed to give us compensations or salaries. No. And then we have the usual grammar expressions to be used. The first one is present perfect to describe work experience, which began in the past but still in course. Yeah, I have worked for that company for 10 years and I loved it and I enjoyed it. Okay, past simple to describe past work. When I was a supervisor in that company, I did my job with my team. I conducted some research for the petrol company. Present simple to describe work routines. Yeah, I usually check the condition of the engine every evening, for example, like that. And then questions about career goal, friends. Ya, di sini ada pertanyaan tentang tujuan karir kita. Ya, tentunya pertanyaan standarnya adalah kita sering dengar ini. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Ya, ketika 5 tahun nanti, bagaimana Anda melihat diri Anda? Bagaimana diri Anda melihat diri Anda di dalam perusahaan ini 5 tahun ke depan? Nah, ini kita harus memulai dengan sesuatu yang promising, sequential. Ya, what are your career goals? How do you plan to achieve your career goals? Nah, contohnya gini, within 5 years, I would like to become the very best geologist your company has on staff. I want to work towards becoming the expert that the others rely on. Hopefully, this will allow me to take on a greater responsibilities with the company if the opportunity arises. Ya, di dalam 5 tahun ke depan, saya ingin menjadi geologist terbaik yang perusahaan Anda miliki. Saya ingin bekerja menjadi ahli yang dimana orang lain bisa bisa bergantung pada saya. Hopefully this will allow me, ya, mudah-mudahan ini akan memudahkan saya to take on greater responsibilities, untuk mengambil tanggung jawab yang lebih besar with the company if the opportunity arises, jika perusahaan mengizinkan dan jika kesempatan itu ada. I'm also working towards additional certifications, dan saya juga sedang mengambil sertifikasi tambahan in the field to enhance my career prospects. Ya, di dalam bidang tertentu yang bisa mengembangkan prospek karir saya, seperti itu. Usual grammar, we have conditional form to express future aspirations. For example, I would like to become surveying director. I would like, saya ingin menjadi surveying director atau direktur survei. Future simple to express future aspirations. I hope I will hold a high ranking position in the company. Ya, jadi kita menyebutkan kita ingin menjadi apa sih ke depan, seperti itu, dan bagaimana taktik kita. Ya, kita harus tentunya melewati KPI pertama, kedua, goal pertama, kedua, ketiga, checkpoint pertama, kedua, tiga, dan seterusnya. Of course, in order to get our specified position, so we need to go through some checkpoints, checkpoint 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Present continues to express what you are currently doing to achieve those goals. I'm currently taking extra field-related courses to enhance my professional credential. Jadi apa yang sedang kita ambil, misalnya kursus training, seminar, untuk meningkatkan kemampuan kita. Yeah, the patterns in the future, I would like to be the research planning and development director. Hopefully, I will be the sales manager within 5 years. I hope to be the manager of HRD. My dream is to lead this company with my skills and achievement. My aspirations are, I want to be the assistant director. Yeah, for your company, atau I want to be the financial manager for your company, so that your company will be very wise to adjust the budget, etc. Okay. Sebelum kita bahas the exit atau thanking and taking leave, kita bahas dulu tadi ya. Jadi pada intinya pertanyaan yang berkenaan dengan sample questions of our last employment ini harus dijawab dengan jelas ya. Dengan jujur, dengan tepat dan spesifik, jangan mengarang-arang seperti itu. Ya, do not make any story or too many stories that you make in here in order to state your past employment, but be specific, be honest, and then be relevant ya towards the job that you are applying. Relevansi ini sangat penting ya. Dengan pengaitan ini semua terhadap relevansi pengalaman yang kalian punya, ini akan semakin memantapkan in order to convince your employer to take them as a big reason to hire you. And of course, in here, by the time you are accepted, you will have a chance to bargain your salary later. Yeah.